Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can contact Yubo support. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and log in with your account. Once you do that, go to your profile icon on the top right corner and then go to settings from here. Once you are in the settings, go to help option just below appearance, and from here you need to go to I have a question. Now go all the way down until you find this contact us option. Go over here. It might take some time maybe. And now have your email, have your phone number, everything, and just select who you are and select type of request that you are having, and then go with the description. If you have any files, let's say a screenshot or anything, just add it over here and then just submit it. So that's how you're going to contact Yubo support. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.